Hey guys, here we go. Follow along with me, okay? I am going to say a word and ask you which word rhymes with it. What rhymes with heart? Start or her? Start. What rhymes with corn? Torn or coarse? Torn. What rhymes with first? Fist or worst? Worst. What rhymes with car? Star or can? Star. What rhymes with verse? Van or nurse? Nurse. I'm going to say a word. Please repeat the word and then tell me the first sound in the word. Leader. Leader. L. Certain. Certain. S. Birthday. Birthday. B. Normal. Normal. N. Disturb. Disturb. D. N or f. North. B or d. Board. Curve. Curve. Clerk. Clerk. Worst. Worst. Barn. Barn. Art. Hearts. Urge. Urge. Short. Short. Barge. Barge. Now I'm going to say 3 words. I need you to tell me which 2 end with the same sound, okay? Park, hurt, start. Hurt and start. Search, march, yard. Search, march. Nerve, check, carve. Nerve and carve. Yarn, stare, turn. Yarn and turn. Firm, spark, perk. Spark, perk. Chop, sharp, speech. Chop and sharp. I'm going to say a word. I need you to tell me all the sounds in the word. So I say scarf, you say R, okay? Turtle. It's t-er-t-ol. Charm. Ch-ar-m. Mourn. M or n. Spurt. Sp-er-t. Verse. Verse. Torch. Torch. Dirt. Dirt. Harm. Arm. Teacher. Teacher. Say for, add s to the end. Force. Say shy, add n. Shine. Say let, add letter. Say play, add t. Plate. Say chair, add e. Cherry. Say scent, add center. Say when, add t. Went. Say self without f. Sell. Say start without t. Star. Say tooth without th. Two. Say tent without t. 10. Say farm without far. Say storm without Store. Say plane without Play. Say checker without Check. Say beach without B. Say chilly without E. Chill. Say seat. Change T to D. Seed. Say pain. Change N to ol. Pale. Say beep. Change P to Beam. Say like. Change K to Lime. Say keys. Change Z to P. Keep. Say meet. Change T to N. Mean. Say wave. Change V to K. Wake. Say form. Change to T. Fort. Say hike. Change K to D. Hide. Say nerve. Change V to S. Nurse. All right, now I'm going to show you the letter cards. I want you to say letter and sound. We don't need keyword this time, okay? Just mixing up the order. Here we go. E, A, O, I, U, U, R, O, R, or, E, R, I, R, A, R, R. Pirate sound. Nice job, guys. See you later.